Hey, what's up everybody? It's finance made easy now. Taxes. The word alone can send shivers down your spine. But what if I told you that tax season doesn't have to be a nightmare? It's time to ditch the shoeboxes full of receipts and embrace the future of filing. Online tax platforms. Gone are the days of deciphering complicated forms and spending hours hunched over your desk. Online filing offers a user-friendly, efficient, and dare I say enjoyable way to fulfill your civic duty. This comprehensive guide will equip you with the knowledge and tools to navigate the world of online tax filing with ease. We'll explore the pitfalls of traditional filing, delve into the best online platforms, and provide a step-by-step roadmap to a stress-free tax season. So grab your laptop, a cup of coffee, and let's conquer your taxes together. Remember the days of digging through piles of receipts, trying to decipher faded ink. Traditional tax filing is often a recipe for headaches and frustration. Let's face it, deciphering tax forms is nobody's idea of a good time. The sheer volume of paperwork involved can be overwhelming, from W-2s and 1099s to receipts for charitable donations. Keeping track of every single document is a daunting task. One misplaced form can lead to delays and even penalties. And let's not forget the potential for errors. Manually entering numbers increases the likelihood of mistakes, which can have costly consequences. Plus, mailing your return adds an extra layer of anxiety as you wait for confirmation that it's been received. It's time to say goodbye to the shoebox of receipts and embrace a simpler, more efficient way to file your taxes. The good news is, there's a better way. Online tax platforms have revolutionized the filing process, making it easier and more accessible than ever before. But with so many options available, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. Fear not. We're here to break down the top contenders. TurboTax, known for its user-friendly interface and comprehensive guidance, is a popular choice for filers of all experience levels. H&R Block, with a long-standing reputation for accuracy and a vast network of tax professionals, offers both online and in-person filing options. If you're looking for an affordable option with a straightforward approach, TaxAct is a solid choice. And for those seeking a completely free filing experience, Credit Karma Tax offers a no-frills option. Each platform has its pros and cons, so it's important to consider your individual needs and budget when making your selection. Get your ducks in a row. Essential documents for online filing. Before you dive into the world of online filing, it's crucial to gather all the necessary documents. Having everything organized beforehand will streamline the process and prevent any last-minute scrambles. Here's a checklist of essential documents. Social Security number. You'll need your SSN and the SSNs of any dependents you're claiming. W-2 form. This form, provided by your employer, details your income and taxes, withheld for the year. Nakinso Intinso 1099 forms. If you're self-employed or received income from sources other than an employer, you'll likely receive 1099 forms. Other income documentation. This includes documents related to unemployment benefits, investment income, or any other sources of income. Deduction and credit. Documentation. Gather receipts, statements, and any other relevant documents to support any deductions or credits you're claiming. Remember, this is not an exhaustive list, and the specific documents you need may vary depending on your individual circumstances. Filing made easy. Your step-by-step guide. Now that you're armed with the right tools and documents, let's walk through the step-by-step process of filing your taxes online. 1. Choose your platform. Select the online tax platform that best suits your needs and budget. 2. Create an account. Sign up for an account on the platform, providing your personal information. 3. Select your filing status. Choose the filing status that applies to you, such as single, married filing jointly, or head of household. 4. Enter your information. Follow the platform's prompts to enter your personal and financial information, referring to your gathered documents. 5. Review and submit. Carefully review all entered information for accuracy before submitting your return. 6. Choose your payment method. If you owe taxes, select your preferred payment method, such as direct debit or credit card. 7. E-file your return. Once you're satisfied with your return, electronically file it with the IRS. Congratulations! You've successfully filed your taxes online. Time-saving tips and tricks. Navigate like a pro. Filing your taxes online is already a time saver compared to traditional methods, but why stop there? Here are some additional tips and tricks to streamline the process even further. Use the platform's help features. Don't hesitate to utilize the platform's built-in help features, such as FAQs, tutorials, and live chat support. Take advantage of import features. Many platforms offer features to import data directly from your employer or financial institutions, saving you time and reducing the risk of errors. Double-check your work. Before submitting your return, double-check all entered information for accuracy to avoid delays or penalties. File early. Filing early not only gives you peace of mind, but also allows more time to address any unexpected issues. By incorporating these tips into your filing routine, you can breeze through tax season with efficiency and ease. Embrace the digital age, reaping the rewards of online filing. Congratulations on joining the ranks of savvy taxpayers who have embraced the convenience and efficiency of online filing. By making the switch, you've unlocked a world of benefits. Time savings. Say goodbye to hours spent on paperwork and embrace the speed of online filing. Increased accuracy. Online platforms minimize the risk of errors associated with manual data entry. Cost effectiveness. Many online platforms offer affordable or even free filing options, saving you money on postage and professional tax preparation fees. Faster refunds, e-filed returns are processed faster, meaning you'll receive your refund sooner. Environmental friendliness. Reduce your carbon footprint by eliminating the need for paper forms and postage. Filing your taxes online is a win-win situation. You'll save time, reduce stress, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your taxes are done right. So why wait? Make the switch to online filing today and experience the future of tax preparation. What's your biggest tax problem? Drop it in the comments below before you go. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update on financial tips and tricks. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Thank you for watching.